What an amazing event this is. I'm so happy to be here. I'm Professor Nez. How are you going to introduce me, by the way, Daniel? Time to go to sound check. This place is pretty sweet. This is not a bad hotel at all. This is pretty exciting. Let's go see where these people are at. This is the venue, y'all. This is the venue. Look how beautiful. No, Daniel, you can be in the shot. That's okay. This is the venue for Superstar, Westcom, Superstar 2018. Look how killer that is. Hey guys, how you doing? Look what's behind me. Behind me is the stage that is going to be filled with volcanic atomic bomb bone marrow content tomorrow when Nez takes over. Are you ready for that? Stay tuned. Look at that, folks. Beautiful view from my hotel room. Beautiful Southern California. I'm at the Anaheim Convention Center. I'm at the Marriott Hotel. I'm going to be speaking very, very soon. I can't wait. You know, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time, a lot of hard work. You guys know I create content 24/8 pretty much. Live streams, podcast episodes, micro content, articles, blogs, interviews. I mean, you name it. Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. It's paying off. When you have something to say, say it. When you have a story, share it. If you're not happy with your station in life, if you're not happy with the way that you're taking care of yourself or your family, this amazing technology can help you. When I look out at this beautiful sunset, when I see this, I'm just reminded of all the hard work. I'm just reminded of how grateful I need to be. I'm just reminded that it's all worth it. It's all worth it. Oh yeah. My ship has come in, y'all. And you know I ain't never gonna stop. What a gorgeous sunset. Oh, good morning. Today is the day that I deliver my on fire speech. Oh, two actually. I got two speeches today, back to back. Oh, I just wish I would have gotten a little bit more sleep. I think I slept for about 45 minutes last night. Why? Time to take care of this. See ya. Woo! Look how nice that is. Whoops. I got a little bit more there, sorry. The magic didn't work so fluidly. The tuck penalty machine had 0 defects. It's time to go destroy some minds, y'all. Come on, we're gonna go together. How do I look?
Do I look good? I think I look good. I think I look damn good. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I am. Ooh, finishing touch. Finishing touch. Okay, this is it. I feel good, I look good. I'm ready. I'm ready to get steady. Yeah, look at that. Now I'm ready. Okay. Now I am ready. I'm ready like Freddy. This is it. Hallelujah. One thing about public speaking, like this is something that's key. So my process, I've been preparing for this particular speech and all my speeches really for a long, long time. There's a lot of work that goes in prior to where, you know, if I do enough practice, and actually live streaming is a great practice for this too. I mean, it's a great way to become an excellent communicator and a great public speaker. The more that you practice, the more that you research, the more that you absorb. It's like downloading information. Then you've got to just throw away the cue cards. I don't think you should have index cards. I don't think you should have a pre-prepared speech. You keep it very extemporaneous. You know your topic so well that your slides, or I don't even need slides, to be honest. That's what propels you. And you've done so much in the sort of preamble. You've done so much to get to really imbue your topic that when you go out there and deliver, it's just going to be, you know, you're going to know it so well that it's going to be second nature, like muscle memory. That's how I feel you need to do it. You need to talk to your audience. Don't speak to them. Talk to them. Have a conversation with them. Don't talk at them. Speak to them. Look them in the eye. I know it's nerve-wracking. I know it is, but this is the best way to do it. It's the only way to keep them engaged. If you don't keep them engaged, it's hasta la pasta. All right, we got to get out of here. Wow, this is killer. Cool hallway.
Oh, let's go with this laptop right now.
Am I getting a lav mic or am I using a mic?
Are you the only speaker?
Killer.
Check.
All right, so I have my laptop. Oh, the lav mic works?
Yep, let's
Perfect.
go. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. There we go. Check. Hey, check. 1, 2, 1.
Do you want me to go in the back and see how it sounds?
All right, yeah, go ahead. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to Anaheim Marriott at 7:33 a.m. Monday, October 8th.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good?
Yeah,
All right.
I'm a loud dude, so I'll be able to check.
Oh yeah, no worries.
And yeah, we might even want to like lower it just a tad.
Yeah, we're gonna test you out. I just want
Okay, cool. Oh, this is killer. Oh no, there it goes. That's all right. It happens. Are you alive? Let me do one of these. Do me a favor, Daniel. Just film me a little bit. Do you mind? Film a little behind the scenes. Just keep the video. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. Talk to me. What do you need from me?
I just need you.
All right. Let's go see if this works. Do you need my power supply too, or?
Sure. Yeah, we got a power strip down here.
Oh, awesome. Just so it doesn't run out of power, right?
It does not.
And you know what? The thing is
Yeah, it's completely separate channels, so you should be set. Yeah, we're just gonna need a dongle.
Do you want?
by the way, do we have a clicker too for the slides?
You want to grab it?
Can you give me one, please? That would be really awesome. That's another reason why.
Mini display?
Huh?
Mini?
Mini display, yeah.
So we don't actually start till 9:40. 9:40. It's what, like 7:30?
Yeah.
So I could go back. I could go to the green room, or I could go upstairs and show.
Whatever you prefer, yeah. And then we got breakfast.
Okay, cool. Let me come up here and see.
Coffee.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that. I mean, I already had a couple in the.
We got the nitro coffee here, bro.
What's the nitro coffee?
Yeah,
That kind of scares me.
That tastes so good.
Nitro coffee kind of scares me.
I'm a happy coffee drinker, so that tastes so good.
Really?
Nice and cold.
Am I gonna be able to? Am I gonna be able to like walk out into the stage and stuff, or should I always stay up here? Because I wanna get like, I wanna get into people. You know what I mean?
Walk down here.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I don't wanna just like.
I would be very careful going past this point because the lovelier mic catches the speakers and that creates the loop of feedback.
Oh.
So
like over here.
anywhere right here.
That's right. Okay. Let's see. All right. Let me get plugged in here.
Yeah, sometimes you forget to tell people and they just go off the stage and all of a sudden.
Should I turn the Wi-Fi off? Or I don't know if it matters, does it? Because here's my slides,
You
right?
should be all set. And then
So then just go like this, and then.
get rid of these guys. Is there going to be any audio in your presentation?
Oh no, not restart. No, actually there isn't. Just me.
Okay, no worries. No?
Oh no, come on, cancel that.
We ran it just in case.
Or maybe it did. Restart. I think I actually restart. Not now. Jesus.
There you go.
Daniel, what are you trying to do to me, man?
Setting you up for success, man. That's what I'm setting you up for.
All right, let's see what this, no bag entry? What does that mean? Okay. It's kind of older. Okay, so let me see what it looks like. George, how do we look it up?
Yeah, she's right now bringing the adapter for you.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you going to be in the room during the whole, like, deal or not? Same pace?
We'll be here for the kickoff. One of us will be.
Yeah.
Because there is 3 of us on the floor and there's 3 so
Okay,
so
cool.
we're trying.
I got my man Daniel. That's all I care about. Daniel, what's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
Dude, are we in the house, or do I get a fancy badge, or just because I'm a speaker I don't get a fancy badge?
You don't need one, bro. One of a kind right here.
So
Dude, this is like peanuts to me, dude. I do rooms 20 times this size. Hey, George, you know why? Because this speech is not 20 minutes. George, you can learn things. Let me get some water here real quick.
Right back there.
I'll see. It's actually holding up pretty good, isn't it, Daniel?
That's good.
Daniel, but I want you to get some like variation shots.
I got you.
Hey, Daniel,
I'll roll them around.
Daniel, can you do a little bit of this stuff too? Like maybe in the middle, or you can't do that? Or is that going to interfere?
I think it might distract them a little bit, but I can do it. It's your show, man.
Maybe for the second show.
Yeah. I can get on the sides. The first show is
The
that
second show, I feel like the second show is probably going to be a little bit more fluid, just because it's always funky the first one, because you're testing out the audience, you're testing out the vibe, you're testing out the nuances. I mean, it's still going to crush, but you know what I mean? This is great.
Is UCLA with Westcom?
So, yeah, we just partnered with them. We're partnered with their athletics, and now they're UCLA alumni and campus. So we're really great about that.
Don't want my siblings here.
Yeah. So a lot of people that are like USC fans.
Oh, you
she was like, she saw the middle kids like go to USC, so she was like, fuck that. She's rebel.
How's everyone going?
It's going good. Yeah. I mean, I didn't know it was going to start at 9:45, 9:40. Because this whole ballroom last night was for the Aquarium exhibit. If you saw that, we got the power of everything. So we had to grab everything straight. I'm here till 6 p.m. Good luck with that.
How's it looking, babe?
It's loaded.
So that was Deanna.
Dina.
I'm sorry, Dina. And she was the one who I worked with. I coached her personally, and she's the reason I'm here. Really? Yeah, she was the one who recommended me to Debbie. She's the reason you were here.
Oh, man. Okay.
My phone's probably gonna die now. That's okay. But you know what I'm saying? How cool is that? Yeah, that's really cool.
So you coached her in the past?
Yeah, I did. I coached her on her kind of like career, and because I do career coaching too.
Oh, nice.
And she's just phenomenal. Oh, cool.